Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Want to hear about the best rug in my house? I have a lot to say about this rug. First of all, I love how beautiful it is. It just gives my kitchen a little class, and it also is non-slip. Can you believe it? It's got these grippies on the bottom, and this rug is not going anywhere. That is absolutely wonderful. I've got kids, I've got pets, I'm a busy mom, and I don't want to be sliding around while I'm trying to do dishes. So that is fantastic. I love the pattern on this. It is hand woven. It's very durable. Like I said, I've got kids and pets, and this little rug has been through a lot, and it is not showing any signs of wear. And also, when it does show some signs of wear, you throw it in the washing machine and it's good as new again. I've already washed this and then laid it back out, and it looks fantastic after a lot of use. I got it in this beautiful gray color, but it comes in different colors and lots of different sizes. So easy to throw into your washing machine. It was just a matter of moments. It folds up very nicely and you are ready to go. That is fantastic. What other rug do you have that you can throw in the washing machine? I love this rug. I love that I can throw it in the wash. I love that it's not going to slide around, and I love how durable it is. But that's just my point of view.